كنتم خير أمة أخرجت للناس تأمرون بالمعروف وتنهون عن المنكر وتؤمنون بالله. Look how beautiful Allah praised this woman in the Quran. Yes, this woman are the best example for mankind because we dey enjoy good and forbid evil. Check Surah Ali Imran. The day where Allah no get for accept prayer, na him get for beg to Allah for sorry for him ummah. The day of Qiyam, if you want for the under the prophet umbrella, then I for work with the two things the way in left, the Quran and the Sunnah. But when we take care, look this present Muslim era, now complete opposite of the former. We know the agree take knowledge from teacher, but through social media, because nobody no want take order. So all man and social media don't turn scholar. To the extent students will not sabi nothing one correct scholar. All things just disorder. Now the Ummah Dis, where the prophet say you no go become a believer until wait you elect for yourself, you elect and for a Muslim brother. But these days Muslim they fall and watch a Muslim brother they suffer. I know say you na Muslim, hence you know to be tribe. Sorry, but you not go able marry to a Muslim sister. But if you get money, maybe we go consider. Now the Ummah Dis, we don't make marriage don't complex instead for make and simple. Nikah don't become expensive, so tap to me don't become a fumble. Now it makes zina just the rampart education there pass rare, so Bokudo left school. Ijabis then at this woman no one married poor man, but the way already done successful. The way in Kana married also no one take orders, you want misuse the man in money like he be there outside the man be the struggle. Where the man go married take over for lay serious, you begin say all men are the same, but you forget say na he behave like devil. Now the Ummah Dis, where Muslimado don't take tight hijab and abaya make glory. Video themselves where they dance and post on their social media story. One green face 5,000 pictures, does they snap like posse where they do documentary. Then Sabi explain House of Stars, but not Sabi narrate one of perfect in wife in history. Wallahi, this is sorry. Memorize man as any one old album, but you know Sabi recite Quran correctly. Ebo Yusuf, how come? Tae don't turn a shobi, pool party every weekend with a non-Ijabi party. Some Ijabi even they go net party. Where they no want serious panding, then say we they make Islam difficult for people them. But if they not tell you the truth, we will continue for misbehave from people them. Islam very straightforward and simple, but that's not mean say they go against the guidelines because that particular thing they please you. Now only Ijabi we not serious go listen this poem and vex, but the rest go think, ponder and reflect. Now the Ummah Dis, we brother them capable for married, but they know they do and just for foolish people girl picking them. Them proud for call themselves palampo with more than 5 girlfriend them. Then say married no to compulsory na sooner, but they're not able to control and to assist them. Dear we sister they not to granite, say before you buy you go taste them. You dey delay for married, you feel say na pause you dey do. Now when you go die, you not get picky we go left make dua for you. You feel say na pankalokalo Islam say we married 1 or more than 2. Now follow we multiply the Ummah, my brother not married, they are left so don't tell young boy jump you. Now the Ummah Dis, where Muslim they pray Ramadan to Ramadan and Friday to Friday. You will do a fatty are not correct, not they pray to time if you tie are not correct. Selling din for cola without no regrets. Now this Ummah they see Muslim they smoke cigarettes and they argue back say no haram. When even the one way they manufacture and they tell you say not good for your health. Money man then at this Ummah they spend pandunia and left din. They see charity project and neglect. Now the Ummah Dis, the big one and gets mine sell Quran for 500,000. Where you give the advice and talk the truth, then go begin watch you like the bad person. But me not be seen because the truth and the truth ends a dua with respect and a not cause person. So Muslim Jaman at this woman not get mind pay imam where they lead them from prayer. The day where the imam go late for 1 minute for lead the Jama, now for pull and in position then go they consider. Instead for looking to the imam in constraint and find solution for solver. So you go they serve on a 24 hour. Now the Ummah Dis, where Islamic organizations don't boku pass the work where they do. On my one be CEO if you count initiative for progress, hence no to the organization count the idea, nobody no one know. On my one be munshi them point, show off from boku because everybody will organize show. Then go listen with little or no support. Now make Islamic entertainment na salon very slow. But that selfishness and envious mind, nobody know how in company go before. No blessing all the power work they do today. Because if you grab na net for tajud, you go put on a status lay all man know. You dey go do charity, you tote camera kai and go. Now this Ummah Muslim go do him company Muslim good with him right hand. He go try tell him left hand no. Una not see away the bluff so. That clothes the way wearing na me and so. But waiting they go on at this Ummah so. Leaders then at this Ummah just they pass bill wey no make sense. They una go they seek religious consciousness. They una not go pass law wey go make the Almighty Allah self vex. Freedom of speech they because they not go ever able for dull you. But freedom after speech, well, that I can't assure you. Wetin happen to that beautiful description where Allah give in the Quran? This now wake up call for let this Ummah come to one. Now Muslim wey not sincere go listen this poem and vex. The way we understand the message go sit down, think and reflect. Remember say this Ummah na one, not to two we get. Salifu Keita.
À la fesse.